Imagine a football stadium that can transform in seconds, hosting not just matches, but concerts, NFL games, and more. Now, picture another iconic venue becoming one of the largest and most advanced stadiums in the world, complete with a digital museum and AI-powered experiences. Welcome to the world of Santiago Bernabéu and Spotify Camp Nou, two of the most legendary football stadiums, both undergoing jaw-dropping renovations. But which one will define the future of football? In this video, we're diving deep into the unbelievable facts and innovations that make these stadiums not just places of football, but the future of sports entertainment. Football isn't just a game. It's a legacy built on legendary battles, unforgettable moments, and stadiums that echo with the chants of millions. And today, we're diving into two of the most iconic coliseums in football history. Santiago Bernabéu and Camp Nou, both are undergoing historic transformations worth billions. But the question is, who's building the future of football? Let's find out. In this video, we'll take you inside the bold renovations of Real Madrid and FC Barcelona's home grounds. From ultra-modern tech to architectural marvels, we'll break down what makes these two stadiums so much more than just sporting venues. This is not just a battle between buildings, it's a fight for the soul of football. Santiago Bernabéu. The Santiago Bernabéu stands tall in the heart of Madrid, home to football royalty Real Madrid. This stadium isn't just getting a facelift, it's being completely reimagined for the 21st century. Since 2019, over €1 billion have gone into transforming it into a multi-purpose fortress. And the result? Nothing short of jaw-dropping. At the center of attention is the stadium's retractable pitch. Yes, the entire field can slide underground into a hidden chamber. This allows the venue to be converted for concerts, basketball, tennis, or even American football in a matter of hours. The new roof? A massive engineering feat. It's retractable, made from lightweight, curved panels, and spans the arena with two gigantic steel trusses. This allows natural light to flood in while giving complete weather control when needed. Inside, capacity is now at 85,000, with upgraded seating, improved sightlines, and cutting-edge acoustics. The experience? Premium. With luxury skyboxes, a sky bar with panoramic city views, fine dining lounges, and even a rooftop nightclub. From the outside, it's a futuristic marvel. A full 360-degree LED screen wraps around the stadium's skin, projecting visuals, match updates, and immersive light shows. But the ambition doesn't end there. Plans include a sprawling fan zone, restaurants, a mega store, and possibly even hotel rooms overlooking the pitch. And yes, there were delays. COVID halted progress, and global supply chain issues made it tough. But the vision never faded. Real Madrid aims to fully unveil this next-gen stadium in 2025, and when they do, it may become the gold standard for sports venues worldwide. Spotify Camp Nou. Now, let's shift to Barcelona, where the legendary Camp Nou is undergoing its own metamorphosis. Since 1957, Camp Nou has been the heartbeat of Catalonia and a symbol of FC Barcelona's identity. As part of the Espai Barça project, the stadium is being rebuilt for the future at a staggering cost of €1.5 billion. The upgraded stadium will seat 105,000 fans, making it the largest in Europe. But it's not just about size. The new design brings fans closer to the pitch with a more vertical layout and better acoustics, amplifying the passion of every chant. The iconic naming rights deal with Spotify brought in over €300 million, giving the stadium a new name, Spotify Camp Nou. It's a fusion of music and football, two of the world's most powerful cultural forces. But the innovation goes beyond the pitch. The new complex will include an expanded Palau Blaugrana arena for basketball, state-of-the-art training grounds, a reimagined club museum using virtual and augmented reality, and open spaces for the public. Digital interaction will be everywhere, from smart ticketing and AI-based fan services to interactive screens that let you relive the greatest Barca moments in real time. The plan even includes a campus-like vibe, with green zones, cafes, and cultural spaces, turning the area into a football-themed district. Challenges? Definitely. Local noise regulations and city planning hurdles have caused delays, but the club hopes to partially reopen in 2024-25, playing with a reduced capacity, and return in full glory by 2026. Head-to-head comparison. So, with both stadiums charging into the future, let's break it down head-to-head. Design and architecture. Bernabeu is all about futuristic innovation. Sliding pitches, LED skins, a sci-fi roof. Camp Nou counters with monumental scale, improved visibility, and public spaces that feel like a campus. Technology. Real Madrid leads. With pitch engineering, energy-efficient systems, and intelligent crowd management. Barcelona brings a next-gen museum, immersive fan zones, and digital connectivity that keeps fans engaged on and off-site. Fan experience. Bernabeu is going for the premium vibe. Sky lounges, exclusive suites, tech-driven comfort. Camp Nou is going broader, building a city-like experience for fans of all types, not just ticket holders. Legacy and culture. Bernabeu represents power, dominance, and legacy. Camp Nou is more about freedom, flair, and football as an art form. Investment and value. 1 billion euros for Madrid, 1.5 billion for Barcelona. Both aim to become revenue-generating machines, turning match days into full-day experiences. So, from high-tech transformations in Madrid to immersive innovation in Barcelona, Europe's two football giants are not just building stadiums, they're building futures. And it's more than rivalry. It's a race to redefine how we watch, feel, and celebrate football. But the question remains, which stadium will capture the heart of the next generation, the hyper-modern Bernabeu, or the mega-capacity Spotify Camp Nou? Drop your answer in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if this deep dive into the world's most epic stadiums got you excited, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Giga Structures, the ultimate destination where architecture meets ambition. From billion-dollar stadiums and futuristic airports to jaw-dropping bridges and mega projects shaping our world, we cover it all with cinematic visuals and powerful storytelling. Love stadiums like this? Check out our video on the 2.6B new Manchester United Stadium or the Estadio Azteca World Cup dilemma. Which megastructure should we feature next? Drop your suggestions in the comments and join the community that celebrates engineering greatness every week.